Hey everyone, welcome back to TubeToWealth. I'm Will, and I'm documenting my journey into Faceless YouTube. If you saw my last video, we talked about why 2025 is the best time to start a faceless YouTube channel, the challenges new creators face, and how AI content creator tools make things way easier. I also promised that in this video, I'd break down how to choose the right faceless YouTube niche, because honestly, picking the right niche can make or break your channel. Today, I'll go over the best faceless YouTube niches for beginners, some easy faceless channel ideas, and how to pick a niche that's not just profitable, but also sustainable. Alright, let's get real for a second. Picking a niche is probably the hardest part of starting a channel. I know it was for me. I kept going back and forth between different ideas, wondering if I should do tech, finance, travel, or something else entirely. It was overwhelming because there are so many options, and everyone's got an opinion on what's the best. At the end of the day, I think the best niche is one that checks 3 boxes. First, it has to be profitable, meaning advertisers actually want to pay money to be in that space. Second, it has to be something you can stick with for the long run because YouTube takes time. And third, it has to be realistic, meaning you have access to the tools and resources to actually make the content. Let's talk about money for a second. You've probably heard people talk about CPM and RPM, and if you haven't, let me break it down real quick. CPM stands for cost per mille, which is basically how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views. RPM, or revenue per mille, is what you actually take home after YouTube's cut. Some niches have way higher CPMs than others. For example, finance channels have some of the highest CPMs on YouTube. Why? Because banks, credit card companies, and investment firms are willing to pay top dollar for ads. If you've ever seen videos about how to get rich or best credit cards, those creators are making bank even if their views aren't crazy high. Tech is another high CPM niche, especially if you're reviewing laptops, software, or AI tools, because brands want to push their products. On the other hand, entertainment niches like general vlogs, reaction videos, and even gaming usually have lower CPMs. That doesn't mean you can't make money with them, but you need way more views to earn the same amount as a finance or tech channel. Alright, let's go through some of the most recommended faceless YouTube niches for 2025. These are based on what a lot of experienced YouTubers are saying, plus my own research. First up, tech reviews and tutorials. This includes things like unboxings, product comparisons, and software guides. If you like testing out new gadgets or exploring AI tools, this could be a solid option. Plus, a lot of brands are willing to pay for sponsorships in this space. Next, personal finance and investing. Think topics like budgeting, investing, side hustles, credit cards, basically anything related to money. This niche is gold when it comes to CPM, and there are tons of affiliate marketing opportunities. If you can break down complex financial topics in a simple way, this might be a great pick. Then there's health and fitness. Workout routines, meal prep guides, weight loss tips. People are always looking for ways to improve their health. The engagement is usually high, and if you're in this space, you can monetize with sponsorships, fitness products, or even selling your own digital guides. Another solid niche is educational content. This could be anything from language learning to science explainers to coding tutorials. These videos tend to get good watch times, which is huge for the YouTube algorithm. Plus, there's a big demand for high-quality educational content. Then we have productivity and life hacks. Think time management tips, study techniques, motivation videos. This niche is broad but performs well because people are always looking for ways to be more efficient. Travel and virtual tours are another cool faceless niche. You can use stock footage and voiceovers to create virtual travel experiences, city guides, or even historical deep dives. If you love travel but don't want to be on camera, this could work. DIY and crafts are great if you're into hands-on projects. Step-by-step tutorials for home decor, woodworking, or even simple life hacks can rack up views. These videos tend to have long watch times, which helps with monetization. Another interesting niche is meditation and relaxation music. If you can create relaxing soundscapes, guided meditations, or even white noise, this content is evergreen and can generate passive income for years. Gaming walkthroughs and tutorials. This is a huge niche, but also really competitive. If you're into gaming, your best bet is to focus on tutorials, guides, or niche-specific content rather than just playthroughs, since those are harder to monetize. And finally, cooking and recipe videos. You don't need to show your face, just film the process and do a voiceover. Super easy, and people love food content. Now, if you're stuck and still can't decide, just pick one and start. And if you're really unsure, copy my niche. I don't care. I went with making money on YouTube because I couldn't decide on anything else, and honestly, it just made sense. It has a high CPM, there's tons of info out there, and there are multiple ways to make money: ads, affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorships, you name it. The most important thing is to start. I didn't just wake up and make this video on a whim. It took a lot of trial and error before I even felt confident enough to hit upload. But if I can do it, so can you. Alright, before we wrap this up, I want to give you a sneak peek at what's coming next. My next video is all about the best free and paid tools for making faceless YouTube videos in 2025. We'll go over editing software, AI tools, stock footage sources, everything you need to make high-quality videos without showing your face. Let me know in the comments if you have any feedback or questions. I'll answer honestly, and if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video!